So welcome to my first Blender tutorial. Today we're going to learn viewport navigation and how to create different meshes in the viewport. So first you want to create a general file, and you see this cube right here. So you can look around the area, the viewport, with the middle mouse wheel. You just hold it down and move it around, and you'll be able to look around the cube. So that's how you look around the viewport, and you'll see in the top right here this thing, which when you left click, you can move this, and it'll also move your view. And if you select a specific one of these here, then it will align your view with that area. Then for actually moving, you hold Shift down and then you move the middle mouse button, and this will allow you to move, and then you rotate around the center of the screen. So this will let you move so that you can look higher, lower, or left and right, or anywhere else. So now we'll learn how to select and deselect an object. If you click on the object, it gets a little yellow line around it. That means that you've selected it. And if you click away from it, then you have deselected it. And once you have it selected, there's several things you can do. One of these is right-clicking on it, and then there's all these different different options. One of the best ones is delete. That's one of the more common ones. You can just click that and it deletes it. You could also press the delete key on the keyboard. Then to add a new one, just right click, or no, you click add, mesh, and then select your mesh. So the plane will create a flat object in the center of your screen. Right click on that, delete. Let's try another one, cube. Delete that one. And there's a whole bunch of different ones. One of the more fun ones is called monkey. Yes. So that's monkey, and if you look around the monkey, you can see there's all these different edges and things. So that's how to navigate the viewport and add or delete.